free travel day. I'm off on another adventure. I'm not alone. Someone else is joining me. I'm just getting up and ready to have my breakfast. And then we're heading to get a bus to Manchester Airport, where tomorrow we're flying to Barbados to join P&O's Britannia cruise ship. And we're doing a transatlantic cruise back to the UK. Let's go and see if Mum's joining me this time. Hi, Mama!
Hi, Claire.
What you doing?
I'm just getting my hair sorted. I'm going off on holiday today.
Oh, are you? Are you coming with me?
Want to come
Oh,
too?
right, that's very kind. Yes, please.
Right,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Let's go to Barbados.
Okay, we're going to Barbados.
Not very tuneful, I have to say.
Well, I never am, Mama. My case is all ready to go.
Oh. Oh.
To Barbados.
Sunny Caribbean Sea.
So this trip is Mum and I. Today we are getting a bus from here to Glasgow, Glasgow to Manchester. We are staying at the Radisson Blu in Manchester Airport tonight. And then tomorrow we are flying with Norse Atlantic premium economy to Barbados. And we're boarding the Britannia with P&O. And we are going to St Kitts, St Lucia, Antigua, and also a day in Barbados. And then we are sailing to the Azores and then on to Southampton. So it's 14 nights. I'm very excited and I'm really excited to do a transatlantic cruise.
To make the same mistakes, to be part of something real.
So we are in Buchanan bus station waiting for our bus to Manchester. Mum's being muted. I've got this. Do you want to speak? You can hold it, you know.
Don't think I want to speak, actually.
Really? It's a first.
Cheeky monkey. I think I might leave her behind. I want to show them the clinch. I don't think it's called the clinch though. It's the wee statue thing outside. I think it was the chap who designed it is maybe clinch. No, is it called the clinch? It must be the clinch, eh? Must be the clinch.
Oh, right now. We're on our way to Manchester Airport. God. It's not 1 o'clock yet. No, it's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock show.
It is 1 o'clock. I'm hungry.
He hasn't had anything to eat since we left Glasgow an hour ago.
It was more than an hour
An hour and a
ago.
half. What's that now?
10 o'clock. I haven't eaten since 10 o'clock. It's now 2.
It's 1.
Well, it's on my watch. Just holding my sandwich ransom. We're nearly there yet. How many lambs have you seen?
None. I'm not getting any lunch till I see one.
Oh, there's more sheep.
I've seen thousands of them.
I'm very happy now.
Glad she's happy.
And the times are changing fast.
We are at the Radisson Blu Manchester Airport. Here's the room. We have a full length mirror, a wee hanging space, some towels, and an ironing board, and an iron. And then we have, I do believe this is a fridge. Oh, yes. Let's see if there's anything in it. No, we need to put our drinks in there, I think. some tea and coffee making facilities and some water. And this is a twin room for just me and the ma. We have a plug down at the bed with USB as well, very nice. A little rugged rack and a television. And she's run to the toilet and missed the opportunity. She's not gonna like this. A Bigsy Ryan, I saw it first. And some plugs.
Get away with my pen.
And then all this fancy, I don't know what that is.
What is what?
Yeah.
Oh, it's play cards. So.
And a nice comfy chair for me. Don't know where Mum's going to sit. And then there is a plug at this side as well. And then we can't put that down. I was trying to put the pen down. However, that's not happening. We have the bathroom. It is very nice. This hotel is very nice. It's very nice. Oh, we've got a shower cap.
Oh, good.
And an immunity vanity kit. And then just your normal products, your wee washing line, doodah. Yeah, it's a really strange shower head. But we'll see what that's like. Yeah, of course, a bath, more towels. I think that's a hairdryer here. And yeah, and a safe. Let's see how big this safe is. It's reasonable. Your iron's here, Mum.
This is just a table. It's not like...
Is it? It looks like a seat. You know, that looks like that looks like your seat. And that's my seat. It's my seat with my pen and paper. Which I have acquired because you're too busy running to the loo.
I have to go there first.
Oh yes. So yeah, no, it's very, very nice.
It is lovely.
We'll just have a quick look out the window, see what we can see. I think we've just arrived before the sun sets, to be honest. Don't know how I can't put these down. They're not safe. No, they're not. No. Yeah, never to be seen again. That is. Oh, that's the walkway that you walk along. That we just walked along from the bus stop.
Look there. Look.
Oh. Thought you were at it. Hi.
Hello. Friends in America.
I did, yeah. I did.
I've stolen this one now from here.
I haven't
And
stolen
not
it.
only that, Claire.
Uh-huh.
She put me off the big comfy chair and I've had to sit in this hard chair.
Well, that chair's
Actually, 'cause
empty.
She just got off it.
I'm sitting on my
I
bed.
got up to make a cup of tea and the little horror stole my comfy seat. Me, an old lady. She stole my seat and made me sit in this. Which is actually alright, it's not too uncomfortable. It's not as comfy as that.
Well, it's empty. You can go and get it.
Well, I'm too tired now to get up and move. I love you dearly.
Do you? That's good. I left you a wee note in your bed.
I see this note that I haven't seen in the bed. What does it say?
Hi, Mum. Have a lovely holiday, love, Claire. I'd also like to say that this bed
Very comfy.
is so comfortable.
Very comfy.
Mum, look.
Oh, look at that. See, there's the bee. Look at that bee. Isn't that lovely?
Scooping. Ooh, that looks nice. Ta-da! Ooh, yummy.
Big slice of tomato, aren't you, White?
You can have my tomato, Mum, because I love you and I like to share my tomato with you. Starving. Hello, welcome to Claire's Prizes. Mum, I have a question for you. What prize do you want? Do you want
Pencil.
my sewing kit, my notepad, my pencil, or my shower cap?
My pencil.
Oh, wrong answer. Which one?
Behave. Not for long. Ill-advised. Not long.
We're waiting for the apprentice to start and then we're going to bed. Because you got a long day ahead of us tomorrow. Mum, would you like my pencil?
No, thank you.
It's got a rubber on the end, look.
Well, so has mine in my bag.
Would you like this one?
No.
You can have it.
All right.
Look, there you go.
Okay, put it down there. Okay.
They just take it from my hand. I can't reach there. I'm holding my camera.
It's not heavy.
Oh,
Just throw it.
oh, there you go.
Thank you very much.
I can't complain, can I? Mum, would you like a notepad? This is the notepad.
Right.
There you go. There you go.
On here.
What do you think I'm going to do?
Throw it.
Mum? Mum, would you like a sewing kit?
Yes, I'll take a sewing kit.
'Cause I don't know how
to use it.
Well, it's not my fault that my grandma sewed every single last thing until I was in...
And then I sew it.
Was I not in my 40s?
I have no idea.
I think it was, you know.
Yeah.
Mum? Would you like a shower cap?
Yes, please.
A lovely shower cap. No, I prefer the one with the Mickey Mouses on it that you use.
There
There you
it's
go.
always handy to have a spare.
Now, you can't complain, Mum.
I can't complain this
I've
evening.
You've got
Did
a
you get
very...
through of everything?
No, I did not. I'm just a kind soul. We are going to sleep now. We've watched The Apprentice and it's sleepy time. I'm tired tonight.